Welcome to Midweek Meal Plan. My name is April, and this is my composition notebook. Really quick before we pop in here, these are dollar store wall stickers. I know, right? All right, so let's pop in here. Again, this is just a regular composition notebook. This is the college ruled, and I'm just going to go in here and put in some of the headers that I want to use for this week's meal plan. I'm going to start on this side. And all I'm using is the Tombow N79. I really like this for a neutral, clean color, especially when you're writing, a bunch of text. Just keeping it simple, keeping it clean. This is going to be the week of February 26th through March 3rd. Can you believe we are almost into March? This is my Pilot G210 that I ran out of ink in, and the ink that is actually in here is the 05. So this is a little misleading. It's not the 10, it's the 5. Our fridge, our freezer, this is where I take inventory while I'm meal planning to see what we have on hand, what I'm going to have to purchase at the grocery store, and it helps me kind of get a feel for what my budget's going to be for the week. Doing this a little bit ahead of time does allow me an opportunity to save a little bit if I need to, if it's going to be a heavy grocery week. So this over here is going to be my grocery list. And we're going to break this down into fresh, canned, refrigerated, and frozen. Perfect. Then we're going to go over here, and I'm going to just outline. I am not a perfectionist by any means. If this kind of planning is not your cup of tea, feel free to use a ruler. Totally fine with that. I kind of like the organic feel of it, I guess you could say. And then up here, just gonna box that in there. Okay, so this is gonna be for Monday. Monday. Ooh, that was flat. That was pitchy, dog. This is going to be the 26th. And then Tuesday, the 27th. Wednesday. It's also kind of nice because you can see just how quickly this comes together. Oh, you know what? Yeah, because that's the first. Okay. I don't necessarily meal plan for Saturday and Sunday. It's kind of leftovers or whatever, like if we're going out. So this is the plan, Stan. Okay, so the first thing I am going to put down here is our meal on Monday is going to be creamy tortellini soup. There's a few things I need to put on here as far as like ingredients. So it's 1 cup of carrots and onions, 6 cups of water, 6 teaspoons of bouillon. It's going to be 2 cloves of garlic, 1 can cream of chicken soup, let's see, ½ teaspoon of basil and oregano. Perfect. Then we're going to do for the last, so we're going to simmer this. We're going to add everything and we're going to simmer for 30 minutes. And then we're going to add some broccoli, some frozen broccoli. And cheese for 10 minutes. Or at least until the broccoli like thaws and gets hot, right? And that's what we want. For Tuesday, I am going to do shrimp avocado salad. And over here, I'm just going to put that I want to saute the shrimp. And I'll probably do it in butter. And then I will give them a splash of lemon at the end. And this is just going to have red onion, lettuce, of course, cheese, hello cheese, shrimp. Otherwise it really wouldn't be a very good, whoa, what is that? Let's try this. Avocado. Perfect. And then for Wednesday, and also you can find all of these recipes on my Pinterest board. It's tagged down below. So feel free, if you're looking at this and you're like, April, that sounds really, really good, I want to make that too. Feel free to go over on Pinterest, click the link below, follow the board. Follow the board. That's not a song. On Wednesday, we are going to do black bean burrito bowls. And the only thing I'm going to have to prep for that is rice. So that'll be an easy one. We'll have rice, black beans, roasted corn, tomatoes, avocados, and the crispy tortilla strips. Or if you don't have crispy tortilla strips, you could totally do like Doritos. You could do like tortilla chips. Just sprinkle them on there. And then on Thursday, we're going to do egg roll in a bowl. And if you have never had this and you like egg rolls, these are so yummy. So yummy. No real prep for this one other than I need to saute everything together, and it's super, super easy. So I have sausage. You can make your own coleslaw, or you can buy the coleslaw in the bag, which is what I'm doing this week just to save a little bit of time and energy. I don't have to prep it on the weekend. Since we're eating it all the way into Thursday, I might do an additional grocery stop Thursday night on my way home, so it's super duper fresh. So I've got the coleslaw and then just green onions for that one. And then Friday is going to be super, super easy. French toast and scrambled eggs. All right, and I'm going to scoot this back over here because we're going to go in here. So this is our inventory of what we have. This is groceries that we need to buy. So from our fridge this week, we will be using cheese, soy, and ginger paste in these recipes. These are things we have on hand. Our freezer, I'm going to be pulling the broccoli, the shrimp, and the sausage. From our pantry, I'm going to be pulling the dry tortellini or the belly button pasta. All the spices that we need. I don't need any spices. I've got them all. A can of cream of chicken. Make sure. I'm trying to make sure that I am in view here. I'm kind of using different angles, so I want to make sure I've got you. cream of chicken, bouillon, and this is going to be chicken bouillon. I've got that. Red onion, sesame oil, sesame seeds, because you cannot have egg roll in a bowl without sesame seeds. And then as far as my grocery list goes, I do need some more garlic, carrots, lettuce, avocados, lemon, and of course the coleslaw. I'm gonna pick that up, and green onions. So quite a few fresh things this week. Canned, I need to restock. So I'm just gonna put like a little star here. This is a restock item. This is not included in my meal plan this week, but I do need to restock on canned diced tomatoes and tomato sauce. Perfect. And then from the fridge section, I need to grab eggs and coffee creamer, which is not on my meal plan, but I am low, so I'll put an asterisk by that too. So believe it or not, I don't know how long that took us to do, but we just planned out 5 meals, made our grocery list. It's easy if you do your inventory before you start this, go to your fridge and do that, but in under, I don't know, it hasn't been too terribly long. I'm trying to see, I don't know, but whatever it is, it was pretty darn fast. I hope you have a wonderful meal plan. If you decide to make any of these recipes, please let me know down below. I would love to hear how you like them. Hit that subscribe, hit the like, and I will join you next Wednesday for another midweek meal plan. Thanks for being here. I love you. Bye.